Hello, this is Dr. Behnam. I'm a board-certified dermatologist in Los Angeles, California. And I'm always talking about acne, scars, and stem cells. But today I'm actually going to be talking about something different. It's about the jowls. So the jowls is a tough area to treat. And there are many different options. You know, you could certainly do fillers in this area, which I've done before, and you could actually watch my other videos about fillers along the jawline. And the fillers do pretty well. You know, you could use radius, you could do voluma. I'm a big fan of fillers, so that's one option. Number two, you could do threading, and threading could do well as well. But your third option is also lasers. Lasers traditionally haven't done that great along the jowl areas, but recently with the advances of radiofrequency microneedling, I think we're seeing much better results with respect to improving the jowl areas. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a patient before and after case of a patient who we only did the radiofrequency microneedling Vivace. I typically recommend 3 sessions, but this is the photos when the patient came in for her 3rd session, which means that she's only before and after photo of 2 sessions only. So this is our lovely patient right here. The before is on the left side, the after is on the right. So if you look at the before photo, you can see that she had a pre-jowl sulcus. And she had basically jowl area that was not very well defined. And also if you look at the folds right here, this marionette line is very obvious right here. So now we're gonna go to the after photo. So one thing you could see, the marionette line is not very obvious, and you can see that you can't really see that pre-jowl sulcus that much anymore, as well as the jowl, and she has a much more well-defined jawline. So if you look at the photos together, you could see that she had a lot of shadow right here and not a very straight jowl. Whereas here, it's a much more well-defined jowl with less of a shadow. And it's definitely a lot more tightening of the skin, and that's what the radiofrequency microneedling does. And she has just much more glowing skin. And she really does. I mean, and so if you look at it again, she has much more tightened skin, glowing skin, and also the marionette line is not obvious. This is just a radiofrequency microneedling device. And we also did a little bit of the neck. So if you look at the neck, you also notice that she has much straighter, tighter neck as well. So in her case, we did the face and the neck. And she's a very happy person. This is only after 2 sessions of the fractional radiofrequency microneedling. So I hope this is educational, and this is just showing that lasers do have the potential of giving you a little bit better jawline, and in addition to fillers and thread lifts. But in her case, she only did the laser. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.